Hello, and welcome to a short presentation on optimizing preventative maintenance workflows with CityWorks. Today, we will be focusing on our transportation and road sector with a demonstration scenario on traffic sign inspections. In the bustling arteries of our cities, traffic signs do more than direct flow. They safeguard lives. But managing these critical assets efficiently remains a substantial challenge for municipalities. With CityWorks, municipalities gain unparalleled visibility into the health of their traffic sign infrastructure. Real-time data and analytics drive proactive maintenance, preventing failures before they occur and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. This short demonstration will include a look at how CityWorks can be utilized for municipal road departments for planning, preventative maintenance, and completing traffic sign inspections to understand the health and condition of our assets. Here we are, logged into our CityWorks Respond application. First off, we're directed to a dashboard view. This is for our roads management group, and we're highlighting our traffic sign inspection program. On this dashboard, I'm pulling in information relative to our traffic signs and our inspections. First on this dashboard, I've got a table of service requests that might be related and require an inspection. Second, we've got inspections that are currently open, and on the right side of the page, we've got relative counters to what we see in our tables. I can see I've got 6 open service requests and 124 open inspections. We're going to use our dashboard today to determine what traffic signs need inspection, and then we'll complete one as a mobile worker. From the tables down below, I can see the traffic signs that need inspection. Essentially, I'm pulling in information on my traffic signs, my assets, and I can see that we don't have a condition date or a condition score. So this might alert my management team that we need to schedule a traffic sign inspection to ensure that our assets are in good health for the public safety. For today, what I'm going to go ahead and do is select one of my assets, and we're going to go ahead and create an inspection directly from our dashboard. From here, the system has automatically recognized that I've selected my sign asset type, and I can select the template that's related to it, which is our traffic sign inspection. Let's go ahead and create that inspection. From an office point of view, I can see in the observations panel what type of observations are going to get collected in the field. I can see high-level information on my inspection, things like its status, important dates, and submissions. So let's go ahead and submit this to our in-field technician. Let's make sure we save. If I wanted to get a geographical view of the location, I can always open up my map half screen and take a look at where this inspection is taking place according to my GIS. From the inspection panel, I could also view and explore the asset. Upon completing this inspection, we're going to populate some GIS fields, things like our condition score and our condition and last inspection date. So let's go ahead and complete that inspection in the field. When we return to the office, we're going to see these observations populated. Here we are, logged in to the CityWorks native mobile application as our in-field worker, where we're going to pick up our inspection and complete it. From the map view, we can get a look at our assets that are on the map. We can see we've got some road assets. If I zoom in, we'll get a better look at other assets that might be available, like our traffic signs, which we are focusing in on today. We also get a view of all of our work activities, like our inspections, work orders, and if I zoom out, we might see a service request here. From the map, I can open up my inspection directly. Or if I wanted to, I also have the ability to open up my inbox, which has all of my work activities in a nice list view. Here are my user inspections, and at the bottom, I can see my traffic inspection. So let's go ahead and open that up. The inspection is a very simple form that we will complete from top to bottom. First up, we've got a high-level description of our inspection. We can see things like our description, who it's been initiated by, its priority, and who it's submitted to. We can see we've got our projected start date and the location information. We can even pull in information on our asset. If I open this up, I can view its attributes or create new work activities if needed. So if we were in the field and we realized after our inspection that there was an issue with our asset, we might want to start a work order to rectify that issue. Let's head back to our inspection and complete our observations. From here, we'll see the same observations that we saw in the office, but a much more simple view for our in-field workers. They simply need to just tap the observations that they're making. We can include additional information if needed, like comments if needed, where we can type in or use a voice to take action. So here, let's complete our observations. I'm just going to select a random assortment of observations. We can capture things like our retroreflectivity measurement. And we can even have included some instructions where we can show our inspector. So here we go. We can see our instructions and complete our retroreflectivity measurement. Let's complete our inspection observations here. You'll notice as I select one of the available results, I have more additional information and instructions. Our inspection templates and observations are highly configurable dependent on the asset itself. So your inspection may look different. Here, this is just for demonstration purposes and simplicity. Let's head back to our inspection and complete. We've got a resolution. We've completed all of our inspection, and we can complete here. We can even include attachments, which are important with inspections to show that work has been completed, or maybe show what condition the asset is in. From here, I can go ahead and open my attachments and add a new. For today, we'll choose an existing photo that's in my library. And we'll go ahead and attach that. So our supervisor, upon review, can check all attachments. Heading back to our inspection, we also have the ability to provide an e-signature. From here, this holds our inspectors accountable for the work that was completed. We can toggle this inspection as completed, but before we submit all of our changes back to the office, I do want to make some changes to my asset, and from the field, this is capable with an integration with our ArcGIS field maps. This will open up our ArcGIS field maps where I have a traffic sign inspection web map. It will bring us directly to the location of the asset. You can see it here. And if I click and select it, I can make edits to my asset. This makes it very simple for our field crew to be able to seamlessly go from CityWorks to ArcGIS field maps to collect new information on our assets if needed and populate them in a form. These can simply be submitted. We can update our point, and if we needed to, we can even collect new information while we're here. So if we see an asset that wasn't tracked, we can always add a new one and drop it down on the map. Let's head back to CityWorks, and we're going to submit all our changes and review our inspection in the office. Here we are, back in the office, performing our supervisor review. We can see from the status that our inspection is completed, and from our observations panel, they have been submitted as well. If we head over to our inspection details, we'll see that our inspection date was automatically populated, as well as our condition score. Our condition score was calculated based off the observations that were made by our inspector in the field. Now that our work has been complete, if we wanted to create a work cycle for this inspection, ensuring that our assets are always in a healthy condition, we can always create a work cycle for this inspection, making sure that it repeats every 1, 2, 3 months or weeks, maybe a year. It really depends on your asset and the needs of an inspection. So we can create a work cycle and ensure that our preventative maintenance is always on time. I'd like to bring your attention to our assets panel. This is where we can view our asset, like our sign. and we can see some of the GIS information that is associated to it. Here you'll notice that our inspection automatically pushed updates to our GIS by providing its condition score as well as its condition date. We can view this asset in a little bit more detail if we wanted to by opening up our Asset Details panel. First, the system makes us ensure we've saved our changes, which we will. We can go ahead and create that inspection in the next cycle. Now let's go ahead and open up our asset in more details. We can see all of its GIS attributes, including that condition date and score that was automatically updated into our GIS. As a supervisor, I am content with the work that has been completed today, so I'm going to go ahead and close off that inspection. I can head back to my inspection using the most recent list, where my traffic sign inspection will be at the top. From here, I can go ahead and close, and now our inspection is closed. In today's demonstration, we showcase the powerful capabilities of CityWorks, emphasizing how dashboards and advanced queries can streamline the management of traffic sign assets. We demonstrated the effectiveness of using these tools to identify assets which require inspections, an essential step for maintaining safety and compliance in municipal management. We then proceeded to schedule preventative maintenance activities directly within CityWorks. This step highlighted how our software facilitated efficient planning and allocation of resources, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Our mobile workers were then dispatched utilizing the CityWorks native mobile application to capture detailed inspection observations in real time. This not only speeds up the response times, but also enhances the accuracy of data collected, which is crucial for making informed decisions about necessary repairs or replacements. Further integrating technology into our workflow, we utilized ArcGIS field maps from our mobile devices. This integration allows for seamless updates to asset attributes directly from the field, reducing the time spent on manual data entry and increasing the reliability of our asset database. Upon returning to the office, we reviewed the comprehensive data collected during the inspections. This review process is vital as it helps us understand the current asset conditions and plan effectively for future work cycles. Setting new work cycles for upcoming inspections ensures that our traffic sign assets remain in optimal condition, which is critical for public safety and regulatory compliance. If you have any questions or would like to request a demonstration from our team, please reach out to your Esri Canada representative. Thank you and have a wonderful day.